Hi all, welcome to Math Easy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about solving one-step addition equation. Consider for example, x plus 5 equal to 10. So to solve this equation, we have to isolate the variable x. So you have to get rid of this positive 5 which is near the variable x. To do that, we have to do something called as the inverse operation. Inverse operation means you have to subtract 5 from this to get rid of this positive 5. If you have a positive 5 near the variable x, you have to just subtract 5 from it. That is called the inverse operation. But when you subtract 5 from this side to balance this equation, you need to subtract 5 from the other side also. So when you do that, you will get the variable x here, positive 5 minus 5, that is going to cancel. It will become 0. And 10 minus 5, that is going to be equal to 5. So x, the value of x is going to be 5. That is the solution for this problem. Consider the example 16 equal to c plus 6. So you can see in this case the variable is on the other side, the right side, and you can see the positive 6 is near the variable c. So to isolate the c, you have to do the inverse operation, which means since it is positive 6, you have to simply subtract negative 6 from it. So to balance this equation, if you subtract 6 from this side, you need to subtract 6 from other side also. So it is going to be 16 minus 6, that is going to be equal to 10, that is equal to c. Positive 6, negative 6, it gets cancelled out, so this is going to be equal to 0. So the value of c in this equation is going to be equal to 10. Consider the example 17 by 18 equal to 8 by 9 plus c. As I told you, to isolate the variable x, you have to do the inverse operation. Since 8 by 9, positive 8 by 9 is near c, I am going to subtract 8 by 9 from both the sides. To get rid of this 8 by 9, you have to add or subtract the inverse operation. In this case, since it is positive 8 by 9, I am going to subtract 8 by 9. So in this case, now you see the c variable is isolated because minus 8 by 9 plus 8 by 9 is going to be equal to 0. Now this side, to solve this, you can see the denominators are unlike denominators, which means it doesn't have the same number. So our first aim is to make it as a like denominator. For that, you have to find the LCM, least common multiple of 9 and 18. That is going to be equal to 18 because both goes 9 and 18 both goes in 18. So that is going to be the LCM. If you want more details about the LCM, I have already uploaded a video and have provided link in the below description. Please check it out. So here the LCM is going to be 18. Now let us make it as a like denominators. It is going to be 17 by 18 minus. So to make this 9 18, you have to multiply it by 2. 9 times 2. So when you multiply a number in the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator also using the same number. So I am multiplying both numerator and denominator times 2. That is going to be equal to c. And this, minus 8 by 9 plus 8 by 9, it will cancel out and it will become 0. Now we have 17 by 18 minus 8 to the 16 by 18, that is equal to c. So what is 17 by 18 minus 16 by 18? It is going to be equal to 1 by 18 because 17 minus 16 is 1 and 1 by 18. So the solution for c is going to be equal to 1 by 18. Consider the example 3 plus a is equal to negative 13. So now you have to get rid of this variable a. So I am going to do the inverse operation. Just subtract minus 3 from it plus a, that is equal to minus 13 minus 3. That is I am just isolating the variable a. Naturally, this gets cut out. So, A remains, that is going to be equal to minus 13 minus 3 is going to be equal to minus 16. So, that is the solution. Consider the example 3 by 7 plus A, that is equal to 4 by 7. In this case, you have to do the inverse operation for this side, for the left side. So, it is going to be negative 3 by 7, which is the inverse of positive 3 by 7, plus 3 by 7 plus A, that is equal to 4 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Why are you doing negative 3 by 7 on both sides? To balance the expression or equation. So, this get cancel out, negative 3 by 7, positive 3 by 7 cancels out. So, you have isolated the variable A now. What is 4 by 7 minus 3 by 7? It's going to be 1 by 7. 4 minus 3, 1, then 7 denominator, it's a like denominator. So, 1 by 7 is the solution. Consider the example K plus 8.1 equal to 11.7. In this case, we have to do the inverse operation of positive 8.1, which is going to be minus 8.1. So, when you do when you subtract 8.1 from the left side, you have to do the same on the other side also, 8.1. So, naturally, the variable K will get isolated because this will get cancelled out, it becomes 0. That is going to be equal to 7 minus 1, 6, 8, 11 minus 8, it's going to be 3. So, 3.6 is going to be the solution for this expression. Consider the example 3, 1 by 4 plus A equal to 6, 3 by 4. So, we have got a mixed number here. It's the same operation. You have to take the inverse of 3 1 by 4, positive 3 1 by 4. That's going to be equal to negative 3 1 by 4. So, when you subtract negative 3 1 by 4 on the left side, you have to do the same on the right side also, minus 3 1 by 4. So, this gets cancelled out, it becomes 0. The variable A will become isolated. Now, how to subtract this? 6 minus 3, that is going to be equal to 3. Consider this whole numbers which is near the fractions. This 6 and this 3, 6 minus 3, that's going to be 3. Now subtract 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. These two, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. That is going to be equal to 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 4. Where you have to subtract the numerators and put the denominator as such since they are like terms. That is going to be equal to, again you can simplify the 2 by 4. 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2. So, I am just dividing the numerator and denominator by 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 4 divided by 2 is going to be equal to 2. So, 3 1 by 2 is the mixed fraction solution for this equation. In case if you are asked to convert this to a fraction, what you need to do? You have 3 1 by 2, that is going to be equal to 3 times 2. Just multiply the whole number and the denominator. 3 times 2. Then add it with the numerator plus 1 divided by, we have the number and denominator, simply put that. 3 times 2 is going to be 6. Plus 1 by 2, that's equal to 7 by 2. So, 3 1 by 2 is going to be the mixed fraction solution for this equation and 7 by 2 is going to be the fraction form of this equation. Hope you have understood about solving one-step addition equation in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Math Easy channel and push the like button. Thanks for watching.